ơi. Em thích cho orang makan.
Hello, ni hao, hao. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mango tapioca jelly. It's a very easy recipe, everyone can do it, and these are the only things you need. For the first element, which is the jelly, I use 4 cups of water, but you should really follow the direction according to the packet, and I use the yellow colored one, but you can use any color that you like according to aesthetics, because it's all up to you, baby. And then I also add in 2 spoons of sugar to make it sweet and nice. Mix it around and then take this jelly mixture onto the stove and heat it up until it is simmering. Once it is simmering, just turn off the heat and do not let it boil. And then transfer it on a sort of container. Make it as thin as possible, and you can also use a couple of containers if you do not have a bigger one. And then let it cool and hard. And now, while waiting for it to be hardened like a jelly, let's make the other element, which is the sago tapioca. So I usually wash the sago tapioca and then put in enough water. You don't really have to measure the amount of water, just put enough water, and when it's boiling later and it has reduced, just add more water until it is cooked. So heat it up at the maximum fire and then mix it around while it's cooking, and cook it until it is transparent and do not have white dots at the middle like a fish eye. Yeah, just cook it until like this, and then strain it and wash it through a running cold water so that it will not stick together later. And then here we go, pearly nice looking sago tapioca. So the next element is the mango. I've showed you this technique again and again, but I'm gonna show you again. You just slice the mango like this and then cut it out vertically and then horizontally, then just scoop it out using a spoon, and here you go, instant diced mango, no hassle at all. Now let's get back to our jelly, which is already hard and cold, just like you. The goal is to make diced cubes of jelly, so you just cut it vertically like this, as small as you can, and then horizontally as small as you can as well, until you have like this diced jelly. Now that all elements are ready, it's time to combine everything. You can put anything in any order, but I put in the sago tapioca, and then I put in the mango, and then the next I put in the milk element, which is evaporated milk, and then I put in the condensed milk for sweetness. And I only use 1/3 of a can because I don't like it too sweet, but you can add the sweetness later up to your cita rasa and taste. And then I put in the cube jelly, and then finally I put in the optional ingredients, which is the all-purpose cream. It is mainly to just make it creamier and thicker, but you can also not put it. And then mix it around, and I put the rest of my jelly because my container is getting full. Yeah, and now everything is done. You can either put some ice into it and add more condensed milk, or you can put in the fridge and enjoy 6 hours later. Delicious. So serve it while it's cold, and look at that, so nice, so addictive. Oh my god, please try this at home and everyone will compliment you on how nice it is. Trust me. So yeah, that's all for this recipe, and thank you to my new patrons, Diana and Eta, my friends, Aisha, my sister, and my new friend Crystal. And for the rest of my patron fam, thank you so much. Credits to all of you. You are making my dream come true, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.